Alright, I finally got my spare parts in from Amazon, so we can get this old Hoover Encore, I guess it's a Hoover Convertible model, direct air vacuum working. So I cleaned it up real good. Got my brush roller bearings fixed. This thing spins really nice now. Look how smooth that is. Alright, this is the old stretched out belt. Got some bags and belts here. So this is the size of the new one. You can see that the old one is significantly more stretched out. So we're going to put this brush roller in. I actually did order another brush roll, but that hasn't arrived yet, so we'll try that out when it comes in and compare the two to see which one actually works better. The original old style metal brush roller with a single row of bristles, or the one with 2 rows of bristles. I'm guessing the new one will probably work better. So this is how you replace a belt on an old Hoover vacuum cleaner. And this is kind of keyed a little bit. This is a rectangular shaped end here. You just have to slot that in. There's a little slot for it and it slides right in. This is going to be kind of difficult. There is a diagram here that tells you which direction to actually put this belt on, so you just follow that. Yeah, it's definitely a new belt. Alright. I think we're good. Base plate. This is just kind of hinged. I'll just line it up here. Looks like it's in place, and then these pegs just slide over. Snap into place. And we'll put a bag in and we'll test it out. Let's see how this thing sounds. The motor's all cleaned up and the bag's cleaned. I scrubbed everything down really good. This should be a nice machine, I think. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, it runs really nice. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.